Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook with ice. This humble ingredient is not just for cooling beverages. It is a surprisingly powerful tool in the kitchen, offering precision and transformative effects. Cooking with ice allows you to manipulate food textures, set delicate preparations, and preserve the freshness of ingredients. You will discover how it offers unparalleled control over temperature, leading to perfectly cooked dishes and impressive presentations, making your culinary endeavors shine. One primary use for ice in cooking is blanching and shocking. Vegetables like asparagus or green beans are briefly immersed in boiling water for about 1 to 2 minutes, then immediately transferred to an ice bath. This rapid cooling stops the cooking process dead in its tracks, preserving their brilliant green color and firm, crisp texture. It also helps retain essential nutrients, making your dishes not only beautiful, but also healthier and more appealing for serving. Ice also plays a crucial role in achieving incredibly crispy fried foods. When preparing batters for dishes like tempura, incorporating water that is chilled to near 0 degrees Celsius makes a remarkable difference. The drastic temperature contrast between the ice-cold batter and the hot oil creates a burst of steam upon contact. This rapid expansion of steam forms a light, airy, and exceptionally crispy crust, transforming everyday ingredients into delightfully crunchy culinary treats, truly enhancing the experience. Finally, ice is invaluable for rapid cooling and setting. An external ice bath quickly brings down the temperature of hot sauces, soups, or purees, preventing them from overcooking and preserving their desired consistency. This method is also excellent for setting gelatin, custards, or even emulsified sauces like mayonnaise in a fraction of the usual time. Whether you are chilling a delicate hollandaise, making individual panna cottas, or preparing an impressive note-churn ice cream, using an ice bath is an essential trick for any home cook.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.